All right, so we have this immersion heater that you can pick up. It looks like this is the box that comes in, and there's nothing else in the box besides the actual heater, the yellow cord, or the cord itself, and some directions. So this is good in case you're camping or you need to heat up some hot water on the spot. And the way it works is very easy. You just drop it right into the water, just like that. It is plugged in, but it is not turned on. So it just a 5-gallon bucket. It's mostly full. And we're gonna measure how long it takes to get up to a temperature. So here's the controller. It's, as you can tell, it is off. So it's just an on-off button and a temperature setting button, and you can read the screen right there. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And it's gonna give us a reading right now, 24 degrees in Celsius. And we wanna set it for, let's say 35 degrees Celsius. And we're just gonna let it go. And we're gonna see how long it takes to get up to that temp. Now, I've got a little scanner here. I'm gonna scan the water. So it is 75 degrees. I'm not sure that'll show up. So it's 75 degrees right now. We're gonna come back in about half an hour and see how long it takes to get this 5-gallon bucket up to about 75 or 35 degrees. It's actually already warm. The thing has to stay suspended in water the entire time, because when you pull it up, it'll get extremely hot. So we're gonna let it leave. Let's come and get a little closer. You can see how it is. And we're gonna let it set in that bucket, and we'll come back in half an hour and we will test it out. All right, so this has been in the bucket for 10 minutes. We initially set it at 35 degrees Celsius, and it reached 35 in 10 minutes. It was very quick, actually. A lot faster than I thought it would be. 5-gallon bucket, just a little less than full. The thermometer we will scan, and when we first did it, it was 74, and you can see 93, 94 degrees. So it got right up to exactly, because when you convert 35 into Fahrenheit, it's 94, I believe. And so it got right up to it. As soon as it got to the temperature that we set it at, it went ahead and stopped. It turned off, and it's just resting there. So it heated up a lot faster than I thought it would. You can actually feel the heat coming out off the bucket here. So works very quickly, 5 gallons. When you're done, you definitely want to turn it off, and you want to let it cool down. You don't want to take it out and then grab it, because you'll burn yourself, but you just want to go ahead and let it cool down. And then you can take it out, set off to the side, and then you're good to go. Pretty pleased with it. It actually heated up a lot faster than I thought it would. So definitely something that you might want to look at.